Have you ever been frustrated by a pair of sneakers falling apart just when you need them the most? Whether it's your favorite running shoes, casual kicks, or those trusty gym sneakers, finding the right glue to fix them can save you time, money, and heartache. But with so many adhesives on the market, how do you know which one will actually get the job done? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best glues for sneakers, ranking them based on performance, durability, and ease of use. Stick around to find out which glue takes the crown as the ultimate sneaker savior. Number 5. Y'all Kandai Super Glue for Shoe. Y'all Kandai Super Glue for Shoe is a product that promises quick drying performance and a strong, flexible bond. It's designed for a variety of materials, including rubber, leather, and fabric, making it a versatile option for sneaker repairs. One of its standout features is the included accelerator spray, which speeds up the drying process and allows you to complete repairs in seconds. In testing this glue, it proved to be effective for small-scale fixes like reattaching a loose sole or sealing minor cracks in the shoe material. The bond held up well under light to moderate use, making it a decent choice for casual or everyday sneakers. However, when subjected to more intense activities like running or hiking, the adhesive began to show signs of wear and tear over time. This makes it less ideal for athletic shoes or footwear exposed to heavy stress. Another issue with Y'all Kandai is its somewhat messy application process. The glue tends to flow out quickly from the tube, which can lead to excess adhesive spreading onto unintended areas of the shoe. While the accelerator spray is a convenient feature, it occasionally leaves a cloudy residue on darker materials, detracting from the overall appearance of the repair. Additionally, its quick-drying nature means you have limited time to adjust or reposition parts before the glue sets. On the plus side, Y'all Kandai is non-toxic and waterproof, ensuring safety during use and durability in wet conditions. However, its performance doesn't quite match up to some of the higher-ranked products on this list. It's a reasonable option for quick fixes, but may not provide the long-term durability needed for more demanding repairs. 4. Circa de Shoe Glue Heavy Duty. Circa de Shoe Glue Heavy Duty positions itself as a reliable adhesive for heavy-duty shoe repairs. It's marketed as waterproof and clear drying, making it suitable for various materials like leather, rubber, and vinyl. This glue is particularly aimed at those looking to extend the life of their favorite sneakers without compromising on aesthetics. During testing, Circa de Shoe Glue demonstrated strong bonding capabilities for everyday repairs, such as reattaching soles or fixing small tears in leather uppers. The clear formula dries invisibly, which is great for maintaining the original look of your sneakers. However, one noticeable drawback is its longer curing time compared to other adhesives on this list. While it eventually forms a durable bond, you'll need to wait several hours or even overnight for it to fully set. The applicator design also leaves something to be desired. The nozzle doesn't allow for precise application, often resulting in uneven amounts of glue being dispensed. This can make it challenging to apply the adhesive exactly where it's needed without creating a mess. Another limitation is its performance in extreme conditions. While it claims to be waterproof, prolonged exposure to water or moisture can weaken the bond over time. Despite these issues, Circa de Shoe Glue remains a solid choice for general sneaker repairs thanks to its durability and versatility across different materials. It's particularly well suited for casual footwear, but may not hold up as well under intense physical activity or harsh environmental conditions. 3. Shoe Bond Shoe Glue. Shoe Bond Shoe Glue earns its spot at number 3 with its industrial-strength formula designed specifically for footwear repairs. This adhesive combines durability with flexibility, making it an excellent choice for sneakers that need to withstand daily wear and tear while maintaining their ability to flex and move with your feet. In testing Shoe Bond, I was impressed by its performance across various repair scenarios, from reattaching soles to patching fabric tears and fixing leather uppers. The glue dries relatively quickly and forms a strong bond that remains flexible even after curing. This flexibility is crucial for sneakers that are subjected to constant movement and bending during use. One of ShoeBond's standout features is its precision applicator tip. Unlike some other glues that can be messy or difficult to control, this product allows for accurate application without wasting adhesive or creating unnecessary messes. It's especially useful when working on intricate repairs or tight spaces where precision is key. However, one minor drawback is the size of the tube. It's smaller than some other options on this list, which means you might run out quickly if you're tackling multiple repairs or working on larger areas of damage. Additionally, while ShoeBond performs well under most conditions, it may not be as effective in extreme environments like heavy rain or intense heat. Overall, ShoeBond Shoe Glue strikes an excellent balance between strength and ease of use. Its reliable performance and user-friendly design make it a go-to option for anyone looking to repair their sneakers without compromising on quality or convenience. 2. Angelus Clear Shoe Cement. Angelus Clear Shoe Cement is a professional-grade adhesive that has earned its reputation as a go-to product for sneaker enthusiasts and DIY repair experts. This all-purpose glue is specifically designed to bond materials like rubber, leather, plastic, vinyl, and textiles, making it an incredibly versatile option for repairing sneakers of all types. Its clear drying formula ensures that repairs remain invisible, preserving the aesthetic appeal of your shoes. During testing, Angelus Clear Shoe Cement excelled in its ability to create a strong and durable bond. Whether I was reattaching the sole of a running shoe or sealing fabric tears on casual sneakers, the glue consistently delivered impressive results. One of its standout features is its flexibility after curing. This allows the repaired areas to bend and move naturally with the shoe, which is crucial for maintaining comfort and functionality. Additionally, the adhesive is water-resistant, making it suitable for shoes exposed to wet conditions. The application process is straightforward, but requires some patience. First, both surfaces need to be cleaned thoroughly with a preparer like acetone to ensure proper adhesion. After applying the glue to both surfaces, it's necessary to let it sit for 15 to 60 minutes until tacky before pressing the parts together firmly. Clamping the surfaces for at least an hour and allowing a full 24 hours of drying time guarantees the best results. While this longer curing time might seem inconvenient compared to faster drying glues, the end result is well worth the wait. 1. Loctite Shoe Glue. Taking the top spot on our list is Loctite Shoe Glue, a product that combines cutting-edge adhesive technology with user-friendly application to deliver outstanding results. This glue is specifically formulated for footwear repairs and excels in creating long-lasting bonds that can withstand daily wear and tear. Its unique FlexTech formulation ensures flexibility and durability, making it ideal for materials that experience constant movement and stress. During testing, Loctite Shoe Glue proved to be exceptionally reliable across a wide range of materials, including rubber soles, leather uppers, vinyl sections, and even textiles. The adhesive dries clear for invisible repairs, ensuring that your sneakers look as good as new after being fixed. One of its most impressive features is its resistance to extreme conditions. It performs well in temperatures ranging from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit and remains unaffected by moisture or impact. This makes it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts or anyone whose shoes are exposed to harsh environments. The application process is quick and efficient. The glue sets in just a few minutes, allowing you to complete repairs without long waiting times. However, for maximum strength and durability, it's recommended to clamp or weigh down the bonded surfaces for 24 hours before wearing the shoes again. The precision nozzle on the tube makes it easy to apply just the right amount of glue exactly where it's needed, minimizing mess and waste. One of the standout qualities of Loctite Shoe Glue is its ability to handle irregular surfaces or gaps between materials, a common issue in sneaker repairs. The adhesive fills these gaps effectively while maintaining flexibility once cured. This feature ensures that repaired areas won't crack or separate even under heavy use or bending. Conclusion. And there you have it, the top 5 best glues for sneakers. From quick fixes with Y'all Can-Dye Super Glue, all the way up to professional grade results with Loctite Shoe Glue, There's something here for everyone, depending on your needs and budget. So next time your favorite pair of sneakers starts falling apart, don't toss them out. Grab one of these amazing adhesives instead. Which one do you think would work best for your shoes? Let us know in the comments below.